are these guys doing? Hey guys.
Hey, what's going on?
What you talking about?
We're just talking to Bobby here. She said she might need some window replacement.
Yeah.
So we figured we'd give you 3 free tips for this cold weather in Kansas City coming up.
Oh, okay. So what's your tip of the day?
Okay, tip number 1. If the inside temperature of your glass is colder than the inside temperature of your house, most likely your windows need replaced.
Oh. Really?
Really.
I like that tip.
Like if they sweat and stuff? That
Yeah.
Oh, I think I need windows.
Yeah. Yep. If you have condensation around the corners of your glass, generally that's a bad sign, Bobby.
Yeah, I got that.
Okay.
Dang, Bobby.
Just bought my new house and now I need windows.
Okay.
These two crack me up. Okay. Wait, what was tip number 3?
All right, Bobby. Tip number 3. If you shut your window and it doesn't lock tight, most likely your weather stripping's not hitting where it should, so it's going to create a lot of air infiltration and stuff like that.
Oh.
So, for a free estimate, give us a call, 913-703-3000. It's getting really cold here in Kansas City.
Yep.
We can take care of you. Don't fall for those high-pressure sales tactics other companies give you. We'll give you a free in-home estimate.
What he said.